how to change the YouTube layout to the old version. So as you can see, this is the new one. All you have to do is to open your web browser where you have the YouTube opened, and next open extensions. I'm using the Brave browser, but if you are using, for example, Chrome, open your extensions, and we want to open the Chrome Web Store, and here search for this extension, which is YouTube Redux. It's this one, and simply open it and add to Brave or add it to your Chrome. Simply finish the process, and here you can customize your YouTube Redux. I'm not gonna change anything, and if you open your YouTube and reload your page, you will see the old version of the YouTube using this extension, and you can see many videos on your homepage. If you want to disable it, simply open extensions, open this YouTube Redux extension, and you can turn it off to make back your new YouTube layout, so it's back to normal. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.